Welcome to Akshaya channel. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Options: AU, GU, MU, HU. Answer is A, AU. Which is the largest desert in the world? Options: A, Sahara, B, Gobi, C, Syrian, D, Antarctica. Answer is D, Antarctica. What is the name of the longest river in the world? Options: A, Nile River, B, Ganga River, C, Amazon River, D, Brahmaputra River. Answer is C, Amazon River. What is the currency of Japan? Options: A, dollar, B, yen, C, dinar, D, rupee. Answer is B, yen. What is the largest ocean on earth? Options: A, Pacific Ocean, B, Indian Ocean, C, Arctic Ocean, D, Southern Ocean. Answer is A, Pacific Ocean. What is the chemical symbol for water? Options: A, H2O, B, NH3, C, SO2, D, CO2. Answer is A, H2O. In which country has the most islands? Options: A, Cuba, B, Indonesia, C, Sweden, D, Iceland. Answer is C, Sweden. How many colors are used in the South African flag? Answer Options: A, 5, B, 8, C, 4, D, 6. Answer is D, option D, 6. Which planet has the most moons? Options: A, Saturn, B, Jupiter, C, Venus, D, Uranus. Answer is A, Saturn.